guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Flower, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be doing a day and night look using affordable drugstore makeup products. So if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
Alright, let's start with the day look. I've had a few breakouts and a couple of burn marks, so excuse my skin right now, but make sure you moisturize and use eye cream. Starting off with brows, as always, I'm using the Wet n Wild brow pencil in medium brown. This tutorial is also a first impression, so I wanted to keep this tutorial drugstore products only. Now I'm cleaning up my brows using Maybelline Master Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm also going to be using a flat synthetic brush. This brush came in a brush set for under $25. I will leave the link in the description box. Since I'm currently growing out my brows, I have a few wild hairs, so I just pat the concealer over the area for extra coverage. I'm taking my Morphe E30 brush to blend. It's just a small, flat, dense, fluffy brush. I'm going to also use that concealer again for an eyeshadow base. So this is my very first Morphe palette, and it was requested on Snapchat to use. So as for this palette, I had to go into the eyeshadows multiple times to see the color actually show up. I wasn't impressed. This palette was not my cup of tea, and maybe it was just this specific palette. So let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite Morphe palette so I can check it out. I'm using the new Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. Also, I'm going to be using a fluffy brush to apply the foundation. This brush also comes in the kit that I mentioned earlier. Coconut shade normally works for me, but I should have went with a shade lighter, like one shade up. But as far as the coverage and everything, it's super bomb and it's lightweight. I really like it. For under eye highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Golden Dore, I believe. I believe it's called. I'll leave it in the description box. Now, I was told this was a very light coverage concealer, but I found out it's medium coverage, so you don't have to go crazy like I did. Taking my favorite blending tool, which is the Makeup Forever sponge. This sponge is like $8, so it's drugstore to me. Also, I would normally have my Mario Badescu spray on deck, but I ran out of spray, so make sure you spray your face before blending out your concealer. To contour, I'm taking the black Opal foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. Basically this is also my first time trying this out, and I really like it because it's like a warm reddish brown and it's really good for contouring on my skin tone so it doesn't look muddy. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Nye Banana Powder in just a flat blush brush. I'm using a Real Techniques brush to do my nose contour to make sure I snatch that nose. And also for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NYX matte liner to give myself like a little wing. I'm just going to add a peachy tone to my lower lash line, and I'm not going to add mascara or eyeliner. For blush, I'm going to be using this new Wet n Wild blush in the color Mellow Wine. I really like this. It's like a nice peachy blush. It's really good with my skin tone, and I was really surprised by this color. So to line the lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Downtown Beauty lip liner. I love this liner, and womp, it just played me right there. Here's a little trick I do. I use another lip liner. This is also by NYX and it's called Soft Spoken, and I just go over the dark brown liner just to give a nice nude color. I'm also going to top my lips with the Butter Gloss in Peanut Brittle, also by NYX. Now it's time for the night look. I'm removing my makeup with a nice gentle makeup remover, only my eyes and my lips. I'm going to go back in with that concealer and use it as a eye base. And let's start with the eye look. So we're going to do a smoked out liner. So I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. gel liner, and I am just going to smudge it out with a smudger brush. So I'm just going to be using a red liquid lipstick. This is a matte color. I will leave it in the description box. Since this is a night look, we want to make sure everything is set so we're not looking oily. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all next time.